While the jump from the Pixel 6 to the Pixel 7 series was somewhat modest, the 8 series launch is defined by a slew of new features and upgraded hardware. There's also an interesting shift in strategy with the smaller Pixel, which is the subject of this review. One of the most notable changes in this year's vanilla Pixel 8 is its size. The Pixel 8 is now sensibly smaller than the previous one, mainly thanks to the smaller 6.2-inch display, but other design changes have also helped bring down the weight and reduce dimensions. The heart of the new Pixel 8 series is the new Samsung-made 4nm Google Tensor G3 chipset, promising better efficiency and higher performance compared to its predecessors. It's also said to produce considerably less heat, which has been an issue in the past for some users. The chip is joined by Google's Titan M2 security chip, an improved NPU, responsible for AI-related tasks. The display department also gets a lot of attention this year, and although Google's Actua-branded LTPO OLED panel is reserved for the Pro, the Vanilla 8 offers a substantial upgrade over its predecessor. It's no LTPO, but bumps up the refresh rate to 120 Hz. Welcome to 2020, Google. And the display is advertised as reaching 2000 nits of peak brightness. The camera system has always been a centerpiece feature for Pixel phones, and the 8 series is no exception to the rule. While there's no change in the main camera, which isn't bad because the 50MP f1911 31 inches shooter takes excellent stills, the ultra-wide snapper is new. It's still 12MP and is not the 8 Pro's ultra-wide level, but it now supports autofocus, enabling sharper overall photos and macro-level photography. Additionally, the lens offers a wider field of view. There's also a modest uptick in battery capacity, now 4,575 mAh. The cell supports 27W of wired and 18W wireless charging, which is rather odd because that means a respectable upgrade in the wired charging and a small downgrade in the wireless. Last year, the Pixel 7 supported 20W wireless charging. Last but not least, Google is stepping up its game when it comes to software support. Starting with the Pixel 8 series, Google is promising 7 years of OS and security updates. That's more than any other smartphone maker right now. Even Apple's latest iOS 17 is only available to iPhones that are no more than 5-year-old. While it all sounds good on paper, the devil is in the details. So keep reading to find out how the Pixel 8 fares against the competition in various scenarios and whether the 8 Pro is worth the extra bucks over the Vanilla 8. Despite its considerable price hike, the Pixel 8 remains rather competitive, especially for US consumers. Its MSRP is below its natural regional competitors, offers an improved viewing experience in line with 2023's industry standards, excellent camera experience, faster charging, and 7 years of software support and timely major OS updates. But the Pixel 8 isn't without its flaws. For instance, a 3x telephoto unit would have been greatly appreciated, as well as a more competitive chipset with better thermal control and wider availability for its smart features. After all, many of the Pixel's clever software features can't be utilized to its fullest in many markets. Charging and battery life aren't particularly impressive either, although somewhat okay in Pixel terms. We also wonder why Google decided to skip the autofocus feature on the selfie camera and the support for Pro Camera mode on the smaller Pixel. Bottom line, the Pixel 8 is an easy recommendation because, despite its issues, it's a significant upgrade over the previous generation and manages to pack competent hardware into a compact body.